Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. Little variety here for you today. Have some Hero Arts, a little bit of Amazon, and a little bit of Ally. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. With that, I think we're just going to start with Ally, just to get it out of the way. It is, as some of y'all have been following along know, I am building up my nail stamping art supplies. And so this set came in, and this is a small stamping tool. And here, let's see. It's a double-sided tool. So one side, this is your stamper, and so you can pick up your image and then put it down on your nail. This side is like, if you want to do like an ombre effect on your nails with your base coat, you would pick it up and dab it and then do the blending, kind of like we do with our, daubers for like the oxides and distress inks. Same concept, but that's what this is for. And it's blingy, and girl's gotta have her bling. So there is that. And then it came with this plate, as I mentioned yesterday. If you decide to get into this, all your plates, they will always come with a film on it, and you have to peel it off before you attempt to use your plate. And so say I want, this leaf here, and I want it to do a fall look. I can stamp this by putting a little bit of ink, nail polish there. There's a scraper that you pull down. It wipes the excess away. Then you pick it up with the dauber, put it on your nail. And you can do that repeatedly. And so I wanted this one for all of the leaves and foliage that was on there. So that is that. That is my Ally. And then for Amazon, probably not exciting for y'all, but if you work in an office, I love pens, and I do all kinds of marking on our paperwork, and I use different colors for different tasks. And I really love these Pilot B2P. I think it's what, bottle to pen pens. Let me see. And you're gonna laugh at me. I bought this package because of the orange. The orange is like next to impossible to find, and all the other colors are bonus for me, but I really wanted the orange. So, and this is a really hard color to come by. So if you like orange, and you see these, snag them up, because like I said, they're impossible to find. And then like even on Amazon, they're crazy expensive. So, but anyway, it came with orange. It came with 2 shades of green. You have like a lime and then like a leaf green. You have 2 shades, or a pink, a blue, a black, and a purple. Basically this one comes with 1 or 2 of each color. So this stash will go to my desk at work, and I'll be a happy camper. So anyway, that is Amazon. Now on to Hero Arts. Those of you who've been around for a while know that I used to subscribe to the monthly, like every single month, of their Hero Arts kits. And I kind of got away from it because I wasn't feeling it every month. But when I got to see the preview of this one, I was really excited, and so I went ahead and ordered this one along with some add-ons. And then I placed an additional order for more add-ons because the 2 stamps that I ordered extra, they didn't have the dies. well, they restocked them. So not only did I order the dies for the add-ons, I added more pieces to this collection. So they'll be coming later. And when they do, I'll just kind of like pull these back out and share so y'all can see it all. Anyway, the monthly kit is $34.99. And each of the additional add-ons, I got 2 stamp sets and they were $15.99 each. But I don't think that goes with it, and I didn't order it. But we're gonna find out. So it looks like Join the Fun. This is the card that's in there. It's called HeroArts.com, exclusively on Creative Bug. 31 free project tutorials. Join the fun. So take this class for free. 31 stunning paper crafting tutorials, expert tips and tricks in easy to follow step-by-step videos, stamping, embossing, die cutting, color layering, and mixed media projects, and specialized kits designed to help you easily follow along at home. So I guess that's probably a kit. So I don't know if this is something new, but if you're interested, that's the link to take the class for free. A card a day with Hero Arts. So, thought I'd share that. If you're interested, just pause it and write the link down and then type it up in your address bar. So, okay. So this kit, what do they call this kit? This kit, I don't know what they call this one. But it always comes, the stamps are always a 6x8, and this background card, if you choose to get subscribe or just do like a one of, always keep these cards because they're always somehow related to the kit, and sometimes depending on the background you can cut them up and use them in projects. Or use them for other like background effects. I can't see. Let's see. So it always comes with the full-size stamp set, and it also comes with the coordinating dies. They used to come wrapped in like pretty tissue paper and like twine or pretty ribbon, but it looks like they've kind of downsized. Huh. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna pull out, I'll do this so that I can take it off and show y'all. Sorry. It's been a long time since I've had one of their kits, so and I really like this. If you look, the carrier sheet is like a flap system, so when you're ready to use it, you can pull it all the way back and it's attached, and then when you're done you just cover it back up. I think that's really awesome. I wish everybody did that, but anywho, here are the stamps, and that's why I really liked it. Granted, our backyard, we're trying to update it, but this is kind of like the sanctuary that I would love to have back there, like a hammock and little fire pit, but and one of the kitties napping in my lap. But my own little paradise. Hello from a place of total bliss. Greetings from my happy place, my private sanctuary. Thinking of you. This kind of plays along with, you know, what. Quarantine at home, you know, your own private, you know, what do you call it, your staycation. So I think this is kind of like the route that they were going with this stamp set. So there's that stamp set, and then the dies, come on, there we go. So it looks like it's almost you've got the die for the little what do you call it? Not a papasan. I don't know what do you call those? Somebody tell me what you call that little hanging basket. You've got the one for your hammock, the lady relaxing with her book, the kids in the teepee. It looks like there's actually a die for every item. There's even the cat, the butterfly, and it says greetings from. So, really excited about this set. Anywho, I'm going to put this back on here until because I had to order special. I think I either ordered them from Ellen Hudson, but there are 6x8 pockets that will store your these larger stamp sets, and I just got to figure out where I stashed them at. But so that is the kit, stamp, and die. I don't know if this was just a little extra from Hero Arts, but they call it Hero Hues, and it's like I don't want to call it a pewter. It's almost like a pewter effect, like little dots. Then it came with the My Monthly Hero Create. They call it the Reactive Ink Palette. Oh, that's interesting. And I guess this is just so you can make postcards and send them off to friends. So I have to say, this is for what it's probably been a year since my last Hero Art, or my, what they call it, My Monthly Hero kit. And I think I'm a little disappointed. It used to come with lots of items, and anyway, this is called the Summer Twilight Palette. And if it's a reactive ink palette, I'm thinking that it's probably supposed to act like oxides. That's my assumption. This is my first one of their reactive palettes. So we'll have to see how that turns out. So there is the kit. Really excited about the stamp and dies. I'm excited about the palette, the ink, but I mean, I was actually expecting more. What does it say it includes? It says somewhere. Oh, I think it says on the back of this card. My bad. Yeah, it's 5 white postcards, reactive ink palette, the dies, 1 greetings fancy die. So that must be the greetings here. And then the dies for the stamp set and the stamp set. So, okay, well, that's that. But I also got this stamp set. It is called Bubble Bath. And in the other order, the dies will be coming for this as well. You put the balm in bath bomb. Relax, it's your birthday. You're fabulous. Pamper yourself. Today is your day and enjoy the bubbles. That is so my daughter. She lives for her bubble baths. I don't do bubble baths. I do like bath salt soaks. I do those all the time. It just helps with my muscles, you know, like when when you're hurting really bad and then your back just knots up. My soaks just really help, like, relax the muscles, and it does help with the pain. So again, I must say that's Karma. She's always near me somewhere. But little bath flip flops and the towels and the rug. Oh, my daughter's always got candles burning, so this is so her. So there's that set. And then this set is called Camp Mikasa. Enjoy your staycation. Home is the best place to be. Miss you. Wish you were here. Thinking of you. And from Camp Mikasa. And doesn't that look fun? The teepee. You got the little mood lights and the pillows inside. And your plants. Your pizza pie. So that's it. That's my haul today, y'all. I hope you guys have a great Tuesday, and I think my next next video will be another, it's probably disappointing for some of you guys, but it's probably going to be another tonic. There is something on the way. I just don't know when it's going to get here. And I'm still waiting on the shipping notice for my Cherry on Top, which is a crate paper collection. I think it's called Hey Santa. I'm really like anxious to get that one. I'm excited to get that one. Anywho, that is it. If you want to go check it out, the kits almost always sell out, but the add-ons are almost always available. Like, they may sell out at first, but then they usually come back. They always have like really great Christmas ones, and those should be coming soon, so I would keep a lookout for that. But like I said, this kit I was actually expecting more, and my past kits, there was just always more to them. But I am happy with the items that came. I just thought there was going to be more to it. But go to their website. It's heroarts.com, and if you click on the monthly hero link, you can see like past kits and if there's any elements that are still available. The stamps and the dies only come in the kit, so you won't be able to get that if it's sold out, but you should be able to find like the add-ons, which are usually always fabulous. So anywho, with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Hope you have a wonderful day. Till next time, love you guys to pieces. As always, happy crafting. Bye bye.